Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we're doing a video. Oh my gosh, I miss being on YouTube. I could actually cry right now. Real tears forming in my eyes. I miss being on YouTube. I'm sorry for neglecting you guys, okay? I'm really sorry. But first things first, look at my little nails. I went to a different nail tech this time. Killed it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this real clearly, but they're like super Y2K baddie French nails. I asked for a Barbie base, like a Barbie glitter base. So we like custom made it. And then I asked for like one gem in the center of like all my nails. And they're just so perfect and so cute. I just love them. They go super cute with my outfit today. So basically, I just bought a lot of stuff one day. I think I spent maybe like $300 on Aliexpress. But I got the most cutest things, guys. So it's a mix of like things from Aliexpress. And then I do have like a couple little things that I didn't get from there that were like that I just got that I wanted to show you guys. This is definitely not my usual like try on hauls or like a makeup tutorial, but makeup tutorial is coming next. These are all really random. So the first thing that I got is this little bracelet here. I got a lot of unique jewelry here because I have like I have cool jewelry, but I feel like I want to expand a little bit. So I got this one here. This one like really spoke to me. I saw it. It was like $3 or $5. I think it's super cheap. Just watch out for the shipping because sometimes it can be a little crazy. Most of the time it's going to take you about a month to get your stuff, so be a little patient with that. Skeleton hand bracelet, super freaking cute. I can't wait to wear that. This is a statement piece. Like, this is, look at this. This is how it's supposed to sit on your neck. Like, I can't wait to wear this with like just like a plain like black like super tight dress or something, or like even like a jumpsuit, and just make this the star of the show. I can't wait. It's gonna look so cute. I think this was like only $8 or something, and then it came out to like, I don't even know, maybe like 16 with the shipping, but very worth it because I haven't seen a single soul wear that. Statement earrings. So these are really freaking cute. Everything that I got, I'm gonna say, is really freaking cute. These are sparkly like chandelier earrings. They look like this. They're pretty big. This would look really super freaking cute with like a sleek pony. Also, y'all, if you guys keep up on my TikTok, I'm the most active on TikTok. It goes TikTok, Instagram, and then YouTube. I know I'm gonna be so much better. I know I say that every single time, but like I'm keeping that promise. So I have a bald spot right here. You see how you can kind of see like the little hair sticking out? Yeah, that's because that was the bald spot. So I have to like gel it down like crazy, or like spray with like Got2b glue. I have PTSD of putting up ponytails because of that freaking reason. Next up, I wore this today. Very freaking cute. I haven't seen anything like this since I have waited like about 2 months for this necklace. I've been seeing more and more people wear it, but I still haven't really seen it like be like a mainstream thing. Very cute. It just has kind of like that dog tag type vibe, but it's like an actual like good quality heart. Really heavy actually. Oh, I was waiting for this one for sure. So this one is a little pearl and diamond cross. You know, very cute. I got this. All of these things were like one digit, like priced at one digit, and then sometimes the shipping made it a little bit more. So now for hats. I was going crazy in the hats area because I don't want to make some makeup, but look at this little hat. Oh my gosh, this is my first time trying it on, so I'm like screeching. Obviously I need to fix it. Like, I don't want to put it all the way down or else I'm gonna like ruin my makeup, but it's a kitty. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is like just like way too freaking cute. And then I got a Hello Kitty one. This one's my favorite. I feel like these two are gonna be my favorite. But then also, if you don't know, I love Adventure Time. And I got an Adventure Time beanie. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I am so freaking excited. And then I also got this one. I got this because you guys know I'm Billy's like #1 freaking fan. And I sound a little sick, don't I? I've been like getting over my colds, but then I got re-sick twice. So I'm like, what's going on with my immune system? Because usually I'm like juicy. Like, I haven't gotten sick since like almost 2 years ago. Like, I'm good. But I got this because Billy likes wearing little hats like this, and I feel like she has a hat exactly like this, or I might be tripping, but she likes wearing that style. Now this is random. Oh, do I want to keep this hat on? I don't think I should keep it on. I've got some things to do today. I can't be ruining my makeup. Speaking of makeup, you guys have been saying that you want to know my new brow routine, and I have been neglecting you guys. Today they're not like how they usually like are 24/7, but they're looking pretty good today. They're just a little bit darker. Brow routine is coming in one of the very next few videos because I need to stop putting it off. I need to just show you guys before I forget myself. No, but it's like really simple. You guys are going to love it, and it's very, very, very different from the last brow tutorial that I did, which was like 7 years ago. Hello Kitty undies. I don't know if these are gonna be too small on me. Honestly, they seem like they're gonna be too small. But so this is a little Hello Kitty. It came with like 3 different styles. It came with 3 different colors. So I got gray, I got black, and I also got white. And then I also got this cute little Hello Kitty top. I thought it was like a bikini at first almost, but it's definitely just cotton, so it's for sure just a little top. And then I got 3 Hello Kitty pairs of boxers. So this is what they look like. Some black. I love sleeping in boxers. I like to feel like I'm not nearly wearing anything. So black boxers with Hello Kitty, some white ones, and some gray ones. I'm pretty sure these are meant for boys. It doesn't really have the little middle part, so I think we're juicing, good to go. This one was a flop. So this is a sign for you guys to make sure that you know what you're buying, because I sure did not. My sister told me she's like an avid like Aliexpress buyer, and she was like, read the reviews before you buy things. And I was like, no, like I'm gonna be fine, like it's not a big deal. And so this was supposed to be like a cool like spider web, like there's supposed to be, what was that? This was supposed to have like no mesh, like it was just supposed to be the strings, and it's supposed to make up like a spider web. You guys will see. But it came with mesh, and it's just like, it's a disaster. Like this is just the front and it's plain, but then the back is supposed to have this spider web. This, you see all that mesh that's there, that wasn't supposed to be there. It was just supposed to be like intricate spider webs, and this spider web looks a little wonky. But yeah, the mesh just like really ruins it. I hope that I can finesse it in some way and like make it look cool. Maybe I can get away with it. It wasn't expensive, but it was like a lot more than what I should have paid for that. And this is another item that I do regret buying. It looks fine, like it's gonna fit pretty cute and stuff. I'm gonna wear it still, but I'm just kind of disappointed because by the time that like I got this kind of style like has already been like everybody's wearing it. So it's like a hood dress, so that was kind of a waste because literally I have like 10 of those dresses now. Okay, but the star of the freaking show, oh my gosh, oh, these are so cute. If you know me, you know that I hate Crocs. You know, I have a pair of black Crocs, but it's only because my brother had them under his bed and they were brand new, and it was too late for him to return them because he like originally gave it to someone and they didn't want it. So I was just like, oh, like Crocs are comfy. Like I've had a pair before that my friend has gave me, but I only wore it in the house. But now I wear the black Crocs literally everywhere as like my errand shoe. But anyway, moral of the story, I got these faux Crocs. They're the same thing, bro. They're literally the same thing, but they have Hello Kitty all over them. These I will definitely only be wearing like in the house because they're furry and I don't really want them to get like all brown and dirty and gross. But also the Hello Kitty is a plushie and I don't want it to get dirty, so they're really cute. I can see it through with this pair because it's really freaking cute. So fuzzy insides, you have the Croc, it's like a cream color. They're like really lifted and they're actually really good quality. It has a little strawberry, says Hello Kitty, and the Hello Kitty plushie, a star, a bow. So cute. I don't think that these go back. Oh, shut the duck up, they do go back. I love these. I got another pair of slides. I actually got this for my birthday, like these next 2 things for my birthday, but they were from Aliexpress, so I'm still gonna show you guys. So I got this little pair of SpongeBob slides. Obviously I love SpongeBob, so these make sense. They are like tiniest bit like a little small. Maybe they just fit small because I was wearing socks. They're so freaking cute. I love these. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you guys that I have been trying to find these freaking chanclas for like a year and a half or something, or even longer, but I finally got them. My love for Hello Kitty has not gone away. If you know, you know. One of my first videos was me screaming about Hello Kitty on Christmas, but I love it. They're so cute. These are so me. I can't really show you guys this because I haven't put it together yet, but this comes with a 3 compartment. So this is just a little Sanrio organizer. So it's this, and then it's another one of these right here, and another one of these right here. It's literally just like a rolly chair, like a rolly tray thing. Originally I thought that that was just like a tiny little organizer for like the side of my vanity, and then it turned out to be this big thing. But I was like, you know what, it could work. Like I could just put my essentials in there. And which brings me to this little organizer. I did think that this was going to be a little bit bigger, so make sure that you guys are looking at the measurements. I wanted to put like my brushes in here, like my everyday brushes, so then they could just be held up like this. I can just be like, ooh. I don't know if you guys are into this type of video, but I thought it was really fun, like just kind of showing you guys aimlessly. But last thing, I got these white fluffy boots. Freaking cute, like big tall boots. They go like up to the knee, like even past the knee. That is all that I got from Aliexpress, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to know what you guys want to see down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.